Hare Krishna. Hello friends. This video I will be illustrating how to calculate dasha running at the birth and also the balance of that dasha which is yet to be covered. So I will be discussing two techniques or two methods. First of all, as you all know, dasha is based on our moon, position of moon. That is why it is called as Janma Nakshatra or birth star, because moon's position is in a particular nakshatra. That is why that nakshatra is called as Janam Nakshatra. Yes, it means if somebody knows the degrees and sign or the placement of moon in his birth chart, then he can find the nakshatra. Then consequently, he can find the dasha which was running at the time of his birth. So first step is knowing the position of moon. Second step is finding the nakshatra. And third step is find the dasha. Now 3 nakshatras have been given the lordship under one planet. Like this. 3 nakshatras under one planet lordship. For example, Kritika, Uttar Phaguni, Uttar Ashada is ruled by Lord Sun. Sun has been given the lordship. It is based on the Vimshotri Dasha system order, where the planets follow this order in the Dasha sequence. If a person is born in suppose Purva Ashada Nakshatra and is running a Venus Dasha, and suppose only 5 years of his Dasha were left when he was born. So now he will cover 5 years of Venus Dasha, and then after, when the person is 5 years of age, he will start with Sun's MAHADASHA. Sun's Mahadasha is 6 years. Now this person is of 11 years and Sun Mahadasha is also over. Moon's Mahadasha 10 years. This person is of 21 years and Moon Mahadasha is also over. And so on. So this is the idea. Now, how to find the balance of it? So one nakshatra rules 13 degree 20 minutes of the arc of zodiac. Okay, that is one nakshatra only. So we have 27 nakshatras and we'll multiply it, we'll get 360 degrees. So this is 13 degree 20 minutes of single nakshatra. And in each nakshatra, it is divided into 4 parts of 3 degrees 20 minutes each. This is the first pada of a nakshatra. Then the second pada is again of 3 degree 20 minutes difference. Then third pada, then fourth pada. So if a planet is transiting, suppose, if a planet is transiting at 6 degrees, okay, 6 degrees of some nakshatra, so it will lie somewhere here, 6 degrees. That means that nakshatra is in the second charan. 13 degree 20 minutes converting into minutes is 800 minutes. And this each pada is of 200 minutes. So in first method, what we will do, the idea behind the first method is, moon has covered some degrees in a sign, in a nakshatra. Moon has covered some degrees in a nakshatra. We will convert those degrees into minutes and we will see how much is the remaining minutes he has to cover. Remaining portion of the moon will give the balance of dasha period, the balance of that nakshatra which is left. The first example I am taking, where the moon is in Cancer sign at 22 degrees 14 minutes. 22 degrees 14 minutes or 3 signs 22 degree 14 minutes. Now come to the page 45 of Indian Ephemeris. Page 45, a table on the lower side, it gives the sequence of all the nakshatras with a range of longitudes. So the longitude which we were searching was 22 degrees 14 minutes in Cancer sign, or 3 signs. So 3 signs 22 degree 14 minutes. Search in this table where this value, required value, falls in which range? Ashlesha. Ashlesha starting point. The value written against the nakshatra is its starting point. 3 signs 16 degree 14 minutes and it lasts till Magha. The Magha range is the ending point of Ashlesha, which is 4 signs 0 degree 0 minutes. So I have written here the range of Ashlesha is 16 degree 40 to 0 degree, or maybe we can say 30 degrees. Same thing. 0 degree is for Magha, next nakshatra, but 30 degrees is for this particular nakshatra. From 1640 Ashlesha started and it ran till 30 degree. And again from 0 degree Magha started, which is the 4 sign. Here 4 sign 0 degree Magha started. Now in this Ashlesha we converted, we know the whole range of nakshatra is 13 degree 20 minutes and our native, his moon has completed 22 degree 14 minutes. So it must be somewhere here. And which pada is this? It is the second charan of Ashlesha. This means the person's moon is in Janam Nakshatra. The Janam Nakshatra of person is Ashlesha 2. And the Janam Rashi is Cancer Rashi. So, covering this method, let's find the Dasha balance. We found the star. Let's find how much is left for the person to cover in this Nakshatra. Now, who is the Lord? Mercury. You see the Lord? Mercury is there. Ashlesha's Lord is Mercury. Also in this table, against the Ashlesha, Mercury is written with the years of Dasha. Major period is 17 years. You can find the balance in two ways. First method is write down the already covered degrees. The remaining portion will be subtracted from 30 because 30 is the sign limit. The sign is of 30 degrees. 30 is the sign limit and 16 degrees 22 degrees 14 is already covered. So directly you can subtract from 30. That comes to be 7 degree 46 minutes. Or another method is, which I was telling you before also. So 22 degree 14 minutes is the covered portion. Right? Covered means the current portion. Now starting point of Ashlesha was 16 degree 40. So already covered is this one, 5 degree 34 minutes. Now range of one nakshatra is 13 degree 20 minutes. You subtract this value which is already covered. You will get the remaining balance or the value which is 7 degree 46 minutes. Either way you can prefer to do it. So 7 degree 46 minutes converted into minutes will be 466 minutes. Using the interpolation method here, 800 minutes of Ashlesha Lord Mercury has got the dasha of 17 years. Now how much will he get in 466 minutes? Just apply this simple unitary method. You will get 9.9025. Now, one more thing to be noticed here is I took initially only 9.90. Because of that, I got 9 years, 10 months. 24 days I didn't get. So be careful. At least take 3 to 4 places of decimal to get the exact days. Okay. Coming to the second method. For second method, you need to go to the Ephemeris table, page 116 and 117. These tables will tell you the currently running period of which planet, the currently running dasha, also who is the Lord. The columns, they are the signs. Our concern is moon is in Cancer Rashi, 22 degree 14 minutes. Moon is in Cancer Rashi means we have to look for the fourth column. So you will find it in the next page. Extreme left column is longitude. You will find 22 degrees, 0 minutes and 20 minutes. Now these values are in years, months and days are given in the difference of 20 minutes. 20 difference is given. Okay, 20 minutes difference. So we can take 22 degrees and 0 minutes. The value is 10 years, 2 months and 12 days. The Lord is of course Mercury, as we could see here, Mercury. Mercury is still running. We have to calculate for 14 minutes, 22 degree 14 minutes. Now how to reach from 0 minute to 14 minutes? Look at the table below. Here against every planet, their proportionate periods are given. Okay. Now we need for Mercury. Mercury is in the last column, second last column. And in Mercury, how much do we need? We need, these are the minutes, 10 minutes and then we need 4 minutes. Why? Because 14 minutes is not given. What you have to do? Subtract the value of one by one. Okay. Subtract the value of 10 minutes from 0 minutes. And whatever answer you get, then subtract the value of 4 minutes. Why? Moon's degree is inversely proportional to dasha balance. Please keep this in mind. Moon's degree increasing, dasha balance will be less. That's why from 0 minutes to 10 minutes moon degree has increased. So dasha balance has to be less. The current value is the reduced value, which is 9 years, 10 months, 24 days. That's the dasha balance of Mercury. That's all, guys. In the next video, I will be explaining how to calculate the Antardasha. Keep practicing with more examples. All the best. Hare Krishna.